Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the license requirements for doctors, nurses and allied health professionals. So basically we will discuss about the documents that are required for the data flow process. Previously we have discussed about how can you create an account on DHL portal, how can you go through your DHL eligibility process, and how can you get your DHL eligibility letter. So if you want to watch that videos, you can also check our YouTube channel. We have created a playlist. You can check those videos there. So today we are going to discuss about the license requirements for doctors, pharmacists, nurses and physiotherapists. If you want relevant information about your degree or your profession, you can obviously ask us in the comment section and we will make sure we will try our best to answer your queries. So if you haven't subscribed, I would request you to subscribe our YouTube channel. In this channel we are trying to help professionals not only to proceed their data flow process but also to prepare for their DH exam. We also upload relevant and up-to-date questions of their DH exam. So if you haven't subscribed, I will request you again to subscribe our YouTube channel, like this video, also share it with your friends and in your group chats so that it could be beneficial for your fellows as well. If we talk about the license requirements for doctors, physicians or specialists, you need to have a MBBS degree or FCPS degrees, and if you are a specialist you need to have a specialty certificate, and the next thing is a valid practice license in the country of graduation or country of last employment. So if you are employed somewhere else, you need to have obviously a practice licensing certificate or registration certificate, and you can use that as well. And if we talk about the clinical experience, that should be more than 2 years after your internship or house job, and that should be more than 3 years if you are recently graduated or you have to go through your house job. So that should be, after degree it should be 3 years, and if after internship or after house job, that should be more than 2 years of clinical experience. And then the next thing is good standing certificate, and this is only valid for the 6 months, so make sure you get it when you are going through your data flow process. Next thing is logbook, and this is only valid for this is only required for the surgical specialties. The next thing is passport photocopy and one colored passport photograph. So I will recommend you guys to have a white background photo, because this is also required for when you are going through your visa processing. So there is no need to have a colored photograph. You can also have a white background photograph, and you can use that in both cases. Then you need to have a medical fitness test for candidates having 65 years of age or above. Then this is the latest requirement, you need to have a police clearance certificate as well, and this is required when you are going through. This is not required for data flow process, but this is necessary when you are going to get a job or you are going to get an employment visa. If we talk about license requirements of pharmacists, in that case you need to have a 5 years degree of PharmD or 4 years degree of B Pharma in your relevant countries. Then you need to have a valid registration certificate in the country of graduation or country of last employment. Then you need to have a clinical experience. Again, this is more than 2 years after your registration process. So if you are graduated in December 2021, but you have got your registration certificate in March 2022, so your clinical experience will be counted after March 2022, and that should be more than 2 years after that date. Then you need to have a good standing certificate, and again this is only valid for the 6 months, so you get it when you are going to apply for data flow process. Then you need to have a passport copy, and again one passport photograph and police clearance certificate. That is only required for your employment visa processing. If we talk about license requirement for nurses, in that case you need to have a bachelor's degree in nursing valid nursing license or registration certificate in country of graduation or country of last employment. Again, you need to have a good standing certificate that is only valid for 6 months. You need to have a passport copy and one colored or white background passport photograph and police clearance certificate. As you have seen, I didn't discuss about the clinical experience in case of nurses. So we have a latest development for nurses. You don't need to have 2 years working experience if you have a bachelor's degree in nursing, or you have a degree in nursing with minimum 2 years course duration from Canada, USA, UK, Ireland, South Africa, New Zealand, and Australia. In case of assistant nurses, there is no need of 2 years experience if your course duration is not less than 18 months. But if you have experience, you can get that experience certificate and you can use that in your data flow process. So there is no need to worry about. If you talk about the license requirements for physiotherapists, for that you need to have a BSc physiotherapy degree or a DPT degrees. Then you need to have a valid physiotherapy license or registration certificate that should be issued by your relevant authority in the country of graduation or the country of last employment. Then if we talk about clinical experience for DPT or BSc, you need to have 2 years of clinical experience and that should be issued by your HR department. Next thing is a good standing certificate. So again, this is only valid for 6 months. So you need to get it when you are going to apply for the data flow process. Again, one passport copy and one colored or white background passport photograph and police clearance certificate. This is only required for your employment visa, not for the data flow process. If you want us to go through your processing, if you want us to schedule your DH exam or data flow process, or if you need to have study material to prepare for your DH exam, you can contact us as well. So why would you choose us? Because we are offering reliable, trustworthy and smooth processing for your DHA licensing goals. If you want to contact us, you can contact on our WhatsApp number, or you can contact us on our Telegram channel as well. So this was it for today, guys. If it was helpful, please make sure you like this video. You also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please share this video with your friends. Till the next time, have a good day.